Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you what you can do if GameBar consistently recognizes the wrong app as a game. So what you need to do is you need to open the app that GameBar thinks is a game. In my case, that's Chrome. So when I open Chrome, I get this notification here from GameBar. To fix this, you have to tap the Win+G keyboard shortcut, and that's going to bring up the GameBar up here. Click the cogwheel button, and in this menu here, go to the General tab. On this tab, there's an option called Remember This is a Game. Uncheck this and then close the GameBar. The next time you open this app, the GameBar is not going to open. Now, if GameBar is failing to recognize a game as a game, what you need to do is open the game and again tap the Win+G keyboard shortcut. It's going to open the GameBar, click the cogwheel button, and in the menu, go to the General tab. Here, check the Remember This is a Game option, and after that, GameBar is always going to recognize the app as a game. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.